Tired of fumbling with your Oyster card and missing your train? Good news! You can now ditch the plastic and travel seamlessly with your Oyster card right on your phone. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to set it up, use it, and troubleshoot any issues. First, you'll need to add your Oyster card to your phone's digital wallet. Open either Apple Wallet if you're on an iPhone or Google Pay on an Android device. Look for the plus sign or Add Card button. Select the option to add a transit card. You might see transit card, travel card, or a similar option depending on your device. From the list of available transit cards, scroll until you find Oyster card and select it. You'll now be given the choice to either transfer an existing physical Oyster card to your phone or create a new one if you have a physical card. Select Transfer Existing Card and follow the on-screen instructions to link it to your digital wallet. If you don't have one, select New Oyster card and follow the instructions. Next, you'll need to add a payment method to your digital wallet. If you haven't already, this is how you'll top up your Oyster card balance. Follow the prompts to add a credit or debit card. Now you're ready to travel. When approaching the ticket barriers, simply hold your phone flat against the yellow Oyster card reader. Make sure your screen is awake, but you usually don't need to unlock your phone or open the wallet app. If you encounter any issues, like the reader not recognizing your phone, try these quick fixes first. Ensure your phone has NFC enabled in your settings. Secondly, make sure you're using the correct part of your phone to tap, usually the back, near the top. If you're still having trouble, visit the Transport for London website for more detailed troubleshooting tips and frequently asked questions. That's it. Now you can enjoy easier, faster, and more convenient travel around London. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Safe travels!